This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook yam in a microwave. First, choose a medium-sized yam, around 1 pound, ensuring it's firm and free of blemishes. Give it a good wash under cool running water to remove any dirt. Then, using a fork or a sharp knife, carefully pierce the yam about 6 to 8 times all around its surface. This crucial step prevents it from bursting in the microwave by allowing steam to escape safely. Now, place your prepared yam on a microwave-safe plate. Cook it on high power for an initial 5 to 7 minutes. For even cooking, remember to carefully flip the yam over halfway through this time. This ensures both sides receive consistent heat, leading to a perfectly tender result. Cooking times can vary slightly based on your microwave's wattage and the yam's size, so keep an eye on it. To check if your yam is perfectly cooked, carefully insert a fork into its thickest part. It should feel tender with little resistance. If it's still firm, return it to the microwave for additional 1-minute intervals until it reaches your desired softness. Once cooked, let the yam rest on the plate for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the internal temperature to equalize, resulting in a more uniformly cooked and enjoyable texture. Once rested, your microwave-cooked yam is ready to enjoy. Carefully slice it lengthwise down the middle. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. A dollop of butter, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a dash of brown sugar, or even just a pinch of salt can elevate its natural sweetness. This quick and easy method delivers a delicious, nutritious side dish in under 15 minutes. Enjoy your perfectly tender yam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.